Here's an example of a DIY. Somebody actually put silicone grout, or silicone, in the grout line. So now that has to be removed so that I can repair it properly. And then we've taken all the grout caulking out. Came out in little strips like this. So now what we'll do is we'll put some fresh grout in, wait for it to dry, and then we'll color seal it. Here we are back at our floor, and as you can see, this is where we actually did the repair. So we removed the strips of caulking, we replaced it with grout, and then we color sealed it, and now the floor looks fantastic. There we have it. That's what Enviro Clean does.